Why does your scanner show the P0655 engine code? And what does it mean? P0655 is a diagnostic trouble code for a engine hot lamp output control circuit malfunction. This error code indicates that your car's computer, the powertrain control module PCM, has detected an abnormal voltage or a communication break in the electrical circuit that operates your dashboard's engine overheating warning light. Under these circumstances, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: defective wiring or circuitry, burned-out indicator, bulb, faulty engine temperature, sensor, defective PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge, Cadillac, Ford, GMC, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.